Hello students, now we are going to study. First of all, very much happy new year to you all. Be at home and stay safe. Okay, now we are going to continue with our online classes. The chapter were doing was iterations. In the we had just introduced about the nested loop. Now further we are going to study nested loop once again, because so that you can clear yourself that what is nested loop. Before all the programs, most array, string, whatever you are going to do, you will be able to do that program with the help of these iterations in. Okay, now see students, this is the very first program of nested loop. Nested loops means, as you all have studied, loop within a loop. One loop, see here, the we have the most best example for the nested loop are patterns. See how the pattern are printed. In this we will see that this is our pattern 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. It means there are 5. Okay, the this is known as row and this is known as column. It means this is your outer loop and column is your inner loop. Okay, the concept is that students, that inner loop works whole time and outer loops work one time. If we come to the outer loop first, the outer loop work first time and inner loop will work whole time. Now see how it has been done. See here, in this program, simple program, in this beta you all have to write public static void main. You can write a string args, or either this can also your program to run. Int row and columns, we have number 1 and 2. It means we have taken integers. Int row and column. Row, for row is 1, for this is your outer loop. See students, this is your outer loop. For row is 1 and row will work till 5, till it is less than or equal to 5, and row will increase 1 by 1. Okay, now like that only the inner loop is there. Column is 1. First of all, column is 1 and column will work till the value of row. Whatever the value of row will be, it will work till that, and column plus plus. See students how it is, and we are going to print column, the numbers of column. Okay, see how it is going to work. In the first row is 1, it will work till 5, and row plus plus means when row is 1 it will come down here, and column is 1 and column will work till the row. It means presently the value of row is 1 and column plus plus, column will increase by 1. So first of all, what the value of row is, column is just now, it is 1, because it is just going to work 1 to 1. It means column, the value of column is 1 and it will give space. This next printing statement is for the outer loop. For this loop, and it will terminate it, and our loop our program will go to next outer loop. Now row was here plus plus, the value of row will be not 2. Okay, the value of row is 2. It will, as it is, will go on till 5 and row will increase 1. Now the column is again 1 and it will work till row. And what is the value of row? It is 2. Okay, the value of row is now 2 and column 1 1. So the system out dot print, now there is no, see here there will be no ln. Ln means you are going to next line, and in this we have not to go to the next line. Column is, first it will be print 1, since it is going to work till 2, because the value of row is not 2. First it is going to print 1 here, this one, and then again it will come to the inner loop, and the 2, when it will, row is 2, column is also 2, and now row is also 2, and it will print your value 2. Okay, again this will terminate because the condition will be now false. It will, when it becomes 3, then it will come here and it will again row. The now row, your row has become 3, row has become 3, then it comes here. If row is 3, then it has come here now, and it will work till 5, and again comes down, and now column is again 1 and row will, it will work till row. Okay, it will work till row means 3 and it is plus plus. So first it is printing column 1, it will print 1, then again it will go because the condition is yet true 2 and row is 3, then again it will work till 3. Now as soon as it is become 4, your condition is false, so it will come to the next line to your program and it will print 1 2 3. Like that it will go on 5 times because you have to your loop will work till less than 5, less than or equal to 5. Students, you all pay attention here. If I have printed here row instead of column, instead of COL it has been printed row, then what was the answer? Then answer was 1 1. Here, sorry, here was the answer 1, here will be answer 2 2 because it will print the value of row. Here answer will be 3 3 3 3 times, here answer will be 4 4 times, and 5 5 times. So this is how your inner and outer loop works. I think that you all should make it run in your system or in your computer or on your mobile. Then you will see that how the changes come when you print here column and when you print here row. Okay, you can, students, print here any special number also, whatever you are going to print, you can you can do it in a double quote. Okay, now next, this is a second program. See, in this program have seen that we are seeing that 1 2 1 3 1. It means your outer loop is increasing 1 2 3 4 5, but your inner loop is decreasing. So how it will work? See, your students, here your outer loop is increasing 1 2 3 4 and your inner loop is decreasing here. So the value is same, row is 1 and it will work because your outer loop is increasing, then it is from 1 and it will work till 5 and row plus plus. But we have seen that inner loop is decreasing 2, it is first 2, then it has become 1, then 3 2 1. So it column is assigned to row, okay, and it will work till 1, and column is minus minus because it is decreasing. See how it is, row is 1, column is row, and it will work till 1 and minus minus. So the first will be 1 only. In second we will see now row has become 2 and column is 2. Now because column is assigned with row, now row has become 2, then it is 2 and it will work till 1 because here is a decreasing order. So first it will print 2 and then 1. Like that also here it will be 3 to 1, 4 to 1 and 5 to 1. It will work like this only. Okay. Now this, students, we will see that here also, here row is also decreasing. Okay, 5 4 3 2 1, and your outer row outer loop is also decreasing and inner loop is also decreasing. It means in the both, in this pattern there will be a decreasing order. So first see, the first is row has been assigned with 5 and it will work till 1. Like that column has been also assigned with 5 and it will work till row, and all will be in decreasing order. See students, you all, first you all have to pay attention towards the pattern, what the inner loop is showing and what the outer loop is showing. When you will able to understand that what it is in decreasing or increasing order, then it will be very easy for you all to do the pattern printing. Okay. See now in this program we have seen that we are seeing that outer loop is your decreasing but inner loop is increasing. See students, outer loop is decreasing and inner loop is increasing. Like that, see, row is 5 and it is decreasing, it will work till 1 and minus minus. Column is to row and it will work till 5 and it is plus plus. So if you are going to pay attention towards there how the pattern is there, then you will be easily manage to do your pattern printing programming. Students, I'll send PDF of this. I want that all of you should copy down in your class registers. Okay, whenever the school is going to reopen, I'll submit all the registers and all the registers will be checked, because all the things are with me, all the PDFs are with me, and I'll check that all you all have completed or not. Okay, if there is any doubt or any confusion, you can ask me to my personal WhatsApp number.